Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So today we will know about TubeBuddy extension. Some of our very attentive viewers questioned us about TubeBuddy. That what is TubeBuddy, how it works, and what is the uses of TubeBuddy. So here is all answer. I will describe that what is TubeBuddy actually and how it works. So first of all, you need to understand that what is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a powerful YouTube SEO. Now, what is SEO? Search engine optimization. We know that whenever we will upload our content, we need to do our SEO so that our content will rank up, and if people will search it, then our content, our video, our flyer, our page, our website will appear first. So, TubeBuddy is a powerful YouTube SEO, competitor analysis, and time saving Chrome extension for video creators. It can identify the keywords and tags to target for your videos so that your channel generates a constant stream of views and subscribers. You can see my screen, and here is the TubeBuddy extension symbol, this one. We will find it out from our extension section. I will show you how we can install and how we can add it as extension. What is the use of TubeBuddy for YouTube? Its purpose to assist YouTubers in enhancing the visibility and viewership of their videos and channels through SEO. The TubeBuddy SEO Studio analyzes your YouTube videos and channel and suggests the best keywords to enhance your search engine optimization efforts. So, when you will search your keywords on Google Trends and Rapid Text, then you can also see them with TubeBuddy that if the keywords are actually ranking or not. With TubeBuddy, you will get the most ranking keywords so that you can take them and you can put it behind your content. And this is how you can rank your video on YouTube. Is TubeBuddy safe for YouTube? Yes. TubeBuddy holds YouTube certification and has thousands of satisfied users without complaints. It keeps your personal data safe while utilizing it to produce better results for your channel and does not take any action without your permission. So, some of our viewers questioned us that is TubeBuddy safe for YouTube? Yes, definitely it is safe. Is TubeBuddy free to use? TubeBuddy offers both free and paid plans to users. The free version provides access to a range of essential tools and features designed to assist YouTube creators. Secondly, with the free plan, user can access basic keyword research, tag suggestions, thumbnail generator, analytics, and productivity tools. So, the TubeBuddy has both free and paid plans to users. If you can't take paid version, then you can go with free version. Free version provides a various range of things, that is, you can design to assist YouTube creators, or you can search for keywords, text suggestions, thumbnail generator, analytics. It will generate your title as well. So you can go with free version as well. Can TubeBuddy increase subscribers? On the TubeBuddy YouTube channel, our channel page has been our top source for new subscribers. Probably because after viewers watch one of our videos, they go to our channel page and see what other things we have to offer before making the decision to subscribe. So it is important that your content should be very reliable, very useful. If your video is useful and you are adding the most high ranking keywords behind your content, behind your video, and tagging those keywords which are ranking up, then people will definitely visit your channel and they will search for more videos, and this is how they will click on your subscriber button. So I hope you all get your answers. If you have any question, you can comment us and I will give you all answer soon. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.